Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Genshin Impact crashing on PC. So first of all, you want to check your drivers. You can go to your NVIDIA app if you're using NVIDIA or AMD, basically where you have your drivers. And here, if there's any available, you want to go ahead and install them. You can also go ahead to Device Manager, and on Device Manager you can check your display adapters. So you will find them here, NVIDIA, for example, and update driver, and update if there's anything available. You want to also update your Windows if there's any available update. Now, another thing to try out is open up your Genshin Impact application, open file location, and then you're gonna go, for example, it is for me here, games, then Genshin Impact, and then here is the exe file. You want to go ahead and right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and after that you want to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply, and OK. If that didn't fix the problem, you want to go to the game itself, go to the settings, and you want to go ahead and lower the quality, graphics quality. Just try out on low. And if that still didn't fix the problem, you also want to change the resolution. So now, once you will change the quality to low, you want to also choose a different mode. So not a full screen, but maybe go ahead and choose a windowed mode. So for example, let's try out this one and just see if it's not crashing when the display mode is different. Now the last thing to try out is go to graphics settings. On graphics settings, you want to search here for Genshin Impact, click on it, and you want to choose high performance NVIDIA GeForce, for example. Basically just choose your GPU on high performance. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.